Hello, my name is Melissa Osborne. I'm one of the adult advisors for our Sources of Strength group here at Northwest. Sources of Strength is a program that we've had for a couple of years that promotes mental wellness and just taking care of each other and looking out for each other. Each November, as we head into Thanksgiving, we have a campaign that I'd like to go over with you guys. And that campaign is naming and thanking a trusted adult. We try to line it up with Thanksgiving because obviously this is a time for gratitude and thinking about the people in our lives that help support us every day. I have just a few questions for you to think about in your head. You guys don't have to, if you guys want to have a discussion in the classroom, you can, or if you just want to take a little bit to think about these, that works as well. So the first one is many of us have a tendency to try to handle hard things on our own. And ask yourself why that is. Is it cultural? Is it the way you were raised? Is it just your own comfort level? It's just something to think about. Many of us feel more comfortable talking to our friends and taking a moment to think why that is. Then the next question to consider is, what is the benefit of talking to an adult? And when would it be important to get an adult involved? I think that most teenagers are more likely to go to a friend at first when they have something that they're concerned about, but there are times where that feels like it's not enough and maybe you need a different type of advice or you're worried about the safety of someone, and that might be a time to look at getting a supportive adult involved. So a fun thing to do since it's November and Thanksgiving break is just next week is our group would like to ask you to name and thank a trusted adult in your life. So think about the adults in your life that you go to for support. It can be family members, teachers, coaches, a neighbor, anybody. So think about who that adult is and think about why you chose them, why they came to mind, and how they support you, and how having them in your life has made your life better. So I would encourage you to send a thank you or a quick, just a moment of gratitude for the adult in your life that you trust and that helps you. So either by opening up your email or getting out a piece of paper, consider writing a note or email to a trusted adult in your life. Just let them know that that you appreciate them and how they've helped you, and however you would like to share that. Any adult would be so happy to get a note or an email from you. It's just a great way to strengthen that relationship between you and your trusted adult. And in this time of everything going on, it's so hard to keep those social connections going. I think anything we can do to bring just a quick happy moment into someone's life is definitely worth doing. And then I would like to just share this quote that I like. A mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope inside yourself. I hope that you guys appreciate the adults in your life, and I know we appreciate the students in our lives. And I would like to share a video that our peer leaders have created about the trusted adults in their lives. Thank you.